Here is something that started with a toilet leak. You can see the water here at the base of the toilet, which forced me to remove the toilet and replace the wax ring. And for those of you who might not be familiar with leaking toilets, at the bottom, and you can see here that this is the flooring. And we have the bolts that connect the toilet to the floor. And if you can see here, the wax is flat. It has been squashed to create a nice seal. That is not the case over here. And I could have just added another toilet ring to this. However, I didn't like the fact that there was a discoloration here, something that might have looked like it was mold. And even though you can't see it now, here's the creature that I found. It was a little lizard in here. And even though I have found a variety of different things in the plumbing drain and in the toilet, for example, children's toys, and even an aluminum can one time, I have never found anything that was moving. And for those of you who might have a difficult time seeing the little guy, he's right here. He's got 2 eyes, 2 front legs. And I went ahead and cut out a view of the little guy there for those of you who might not be able to see him where he's at because of the discoloration, because the little guy blends in with the background here. And yes, there is a happy ending to the story. I removed him and relocated him out to the backyard and cleaned all of this up and fixed the water leak. And for those of you who might not be interested with the little creature here, you're more interested in the toilet leaking repairs, I will put some links to those in the video description area.